refer to boosting the relative amplitude of the modulating signal, or you can say modulating voltage for higher audio frequency from 2 to approximate 15 kilohertz. Mean to say it boosts the modulating voltage. It is used to boost the modulating voltage of the message signal. At the transmitter end, input signal passes through the simple network. Simple network is a kind of this, or maybe it's a kind of high pass filter, and convert into low frequency component to the high frequency component. Low frequency component, our modulating signal, which is passes from this filter, then this network, then convert into the high frequency component. Any component, any combination of resistor or capacitor, any combination of resistor or you can say capacitor gives a time constant 75 microsecond, where our time t is equal to RC. R is your resistance and C is your capacitance. In such a circuit, cutoff frequency 2122 Hz means frequency higher than 2122 Hz will be linearly enhanced. The output amplitude increase at a rate of 6 dB per octave. From this and this, 6 dB per octave. Now, just because of increase in frequency component, we are applying low frequency component and we achieve after passing through, we have high frequency component which is greater than the noise component, That's why when we are calculating the signal power, we are neglecting the noise power. Now, because of increase in frequency component, noise component is neglected and we achieve improve in signal to noise ratio, and there is increment in intelligibility and fidelity. Got it? This is our circuit diagram for the pre-emphasis, and this is the characteristics curve of pre-emphasis. Any doubt? Yes, student, any doubt? As compared to the pre-emphasis, we also have the de-emphasis, which we will discuss later, right? So, lot of things is there. Just hold it. Okay, few points is also there. The pre-emphasis circuit also has a upper break frequency say FU, where the signal enhanced flattens out. The upper frequency can be calculated by this formula. We can calculate it from the circuit diagram. Fu is equal to R1 plus R2 upon 2 pi R1 into R2 into C. It is usually set at some very high value beyond the audio range. An FU of greater than 30 kilohertz is typical. That's why we are using 30 kilohertz upper break frequency in this circuit. Then greater than 30 kilohertz, it is very typical. So we are using 30 kilohertz in most of the cases, right? So this is all about the pre-emphasis circuit. In the next lecture, we will discuss the de-emphasis circuit, right? Okay, thank you.